Guys, welcome to Everlasting Memories. Today we have our new launch which is related to pregnancy journal. So here we have tried something so different, and we have used florals, we have used some of other elements as well to make the pack look more beautiful. So the name of the pack is Bumps Out. It has 10 unique designs, 2 sheets per design, 20 sheets in a pack, and we also have 2 tag sheets in this, and we also have the motif sheets in this, but I'll show you that later. So here's the pack. You can see the front page. It looks so beautiful. I hope it's clear. You can see the front page. So let me just take you to the paper pack. It's so beautiful. So this is the first page, as you have already seen it. So let me just take to the first design. So this is the first design we have. So you can see the elements, the stripes, the shade, the textures, everything. So this is the first page. So you can see the thickness of the paper is so good. It's 300 GSM, and also you can see the texture, the designs are so beautiful. So let's go to the second one. So this one, as you can see, look at this one. We have lots of detailing work. You can see this mama over here and house, butterflies, and you can see the sentiments, the flowers, the jars, the butterflies. This is so beautiful. This page is so beautiful. You can see the color combination. It is so awesome. So this paper pack is totally about the pregnancy related. So we have tried to keep all related to mama, right? So you can see this. So now we have the third page, and this is my personal favorite page. As you can see, the color shade is so beautiful. So you can see the flowers, the texture, the detailing work. It's so beautiful. I love this page so much. The fourth page. So you can see here the mama is standing and the butterflies are all around. You can see the sentiments, you can see the flowers, you can see here the flowers, the sentiments, and this page is so awesome. You can see it's very thick. The paper is very thick. It's so beautiful. So you can see this one is the floral print, but we still have the detailing and the color shades in this, color combination, everything is so awesome. The page looks so pretty by itself. You can look. So now you can look. This one is so beautiful. You can see lots of detailing work in the background. You can see the texture, the color combination, and also those 2 cuties. As it's written, it's a boy, it's a girl. I hope it's clear. Yeah. So this paper pack, I tried to keep it as a common one because we don't know whether it's going to be a boy or a girl. So I tried to keep this as a common one. As you can see, it's so pretty. The page is so pretty. You love it. And this one is so awesome. Look at the detailing work at the background. Look at the florals. Look at this cutie once again. And look here, the clouds. And look at this. The mama is standing over here. Mom to be. So this is also so pretty page. You can see. Now let's go to this one. This one is my personal favorite as well. So you can see the detailing like a baby is catching hand of a father and the leg, the sleeping baby. We have this in the background, and look at this side. The mama is standing, and we have the swing, flowers, and at this corner we have flowers. This is so pretty. This page is so pretty. Once you use this, you will know the outcome. It's really going to be so awesome. So we have this one page where I kept this page as a simple one, as we definitely need some simple designs as well in the crafting. So here it is, this. And this one is super duper awesome. You can see the texture and this shade, the background. Once you use this page, you will definitely love this. It is so awesome. The page is so awesome. You can see here, it's so awesome. And also I want to tell, we have a tag sheet, and this is going to be so pretty. So we have this tag sheet where it is mentioned as week wise, where you can use this tag sheets in your projects. And we have some of the beautiful quotes written, like eating for two, I'm going to fill your world with happiness, you are my world, halfway mama, are you ready for your anatomy scan? And look at this one, it's so pretty. The tag sheet is so awesome. I love this tag sheet, the shades, the color. So we have some of the space left free where you can write it by yourself in those tags, in those empty space. As you can see, this tag sheet is so awesome. I love both the tag sheet. As you can see, it looks so pretty, and the paper collection is also super awesome. So if you guys want to buy, you can just contact us, and we have in 3 sizes, 8x8, 6x6 and 12x12. And we also have a new launch this time for the motif sheets. We are selling this at separate, not coming with the pack. So you can see this is a motif sheet which we have. I love this motif sheet as it's so cute. You can see all the elements are here. And we have this second motif sheet where we have lots of floral and butterflies, everything, and even you can see some of the sentiments over here. So this motif sheet is also so awesome. So if you want to buy this, you have to buy it at separate, and you get tag sheet with this paper pack. So yeah, this is our new launch. I hope you guys like it. If so, then do share to your as many as crafty friends, and also tag us in your story, and we will definitely repost it. So thank you for the love and support.